in order to get this piece up there, I am going to take some tape that harness up so I don't mess up any more wires, and then hopefully this will fit right in there and go up easy. Nothing about this van conversion has been easy, so it probably won't work the first time. See, I should have knew. Don't cut it straight, because nothing in this van is, including me. Look at that. So it's a wasted piece of wood because I have to cut it crooked. Sitting here freaking out because the way the ceiling is curved, and you're not going to see that anyway because there's going to be cabinets right here. So where I beat the heck out of this, you're not going to see this. I'll just paint it because the cabinets go this far, and then those panels come all the way up to this. Perfect. Not too bad for trailer trash. Okay, because I am old and forgetful, I have to find where my puck lights are so I can drill a hole. So right now I have the camera up there looking for the wires. And the good note is I have them braid tied to the corner, it looks like. So I need to find that wire. So when I'm cutting the hole, I don't cut that wire. Okay, I found 3. And if I was smart, I measured the distance between these 2, and that's how I did it up here. We'll see if I was smart. I was buying these off of Amazon, which they're awesome, but it seems like you can't buy a bunch of singles. They sell you a box, and then you end up having some that you'll probably never use. Then I found these, which are exactly what I needed. That's what I'm doing the rest of the puck lights in. Well, after all that sawdust, I guess it's best to wash the bed sheets. Okay, this is the wall behind the countertop. I'm debating just stain it or burn it and dye it blue like the countertop. Glued and screwed. And because I posted on Facebook whether to stain it or burn it and dye it or even backsplash, we ended up with polyurethane and staining it because it's pretty wood. Now I'm going to make the box and go out and trace the 2 little boxes that are going to be inside of this so I can cut 2 square holes. Okay, these are the 2 boxes. This is for the inverter, turn it on and off so I can use a plug off grid. And this is my monitor to tell me how much battery I have. So I got to cut 2 squares. Okay, first coat is on. Now 1 small board across here so the seasonings don't fall off. Okay, I did switch it up a little bit because after putting my seasonings here, I didn't need 2 shelves because they're a little bit bigger than I thought. I don't think I'm going to be able to drive with it on there because it'll probably slide and still fall over this. I'll see, and if it does, I'll just put my seasonings in there whenever I park. I'm actually coming up a little bit so I can leave everything in here while I drive. This way it won't fall over into the floor. When things start going together too smoothly, I know something's wrong. I get too comfortable and I make a mistake. This is why I buy more wood than I need. I put the hole on the wrong side. But I had extra wood. While these are drying, I'm going to jump in the shower because in 1 hour it's check-in for the campsite. One more coat, I'll put them on and leave. The Craig tool and the screw come out on this side, and I use different kinds of screws, so I'm just going to go ahead and screw the screws in, and I countersunk them, so, and it's still splitting. Glue and screw. Oh, I could cry. This is why you pre-drill your holes. Poop! Hopefully that'll work.